Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we are going to look at a screen recorder called BSR Screen Recorder. So without any further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I'm in the Google search page here. So I'm going to search for BSR Soft Screen Recorder and hit enter. There you go guys. This is the website for bsrsoft.com. So I'm going to click here to enter the website. There you go. This is the website for BSR Soft Screen Recorder. So as you can see, this is an offline screen recorder, and I'm going to click on download now to download the .exe file. This is a pretty old screen recorder, so I have decided to download screen recorder for Windows 8 and 7 Vista, because the other screen recorder, which is only available for XP, ME and NG in 2000, which is pretty old, so I just choose to select the latest version for Windows 8 and 7 and Vista. There you go guys. The .exe file is being downloaded. There you go guys, the .exe file has been downloaded. I'm gonna quickly click on .exe file to install the screen recorder. I'm going to choose the language to be English and then click on next. I'm going to agree to the agreement and click on next again. I'm going to choose the program directory to be the C directory and click on install. There you go guys, the installation is complete. I'm going to click on finish. Now I'm going to quickly hover over to the BSR screen recorder here and click on the BSR screen recorder. There you go guys. This is the UI for BSR screen recorder. So here I can choose whether to record my screen or edit my videos or produce video in the movie lab or just play a video file. I'm going to choose the record screen option and click on next. There you go. There is an option to record the region of the screen, a window or an entire screen. So I'm gonna choose a region on the screen, or maybe I can choose the entire screen and then click on next. There you go. It has automatically detected my screen size and I'm gonna click on OK. And after that, I get an option to actually record the audio from the speakers or from the microphone. So I'm just going to choose the microphone, and as you can see already my microphone has been selected over here, and I'm going to click on record mouse clicks and record keystroke. And also this is the option to record the volume, and to amplify it I'm going to just choose this and select to auto. And when it comes to the mouse cursor, I'm going to choose record mouse click displays and highlight mouse cursor. And in case if I wanted to select the colors, I'm going to click on cursor and highlight settings. Here I'm going to choose the highlight color to be yellow, and that's gonna be animation display, and I think this is okay, so I'm just gonna close it. And to start the recording, all I have to do is click on start recording here. Okay, I'm gonna click on OK, and these are the shortcut options to actually zoom in and zoom out and toggle to 3D zoom. And if I wanted to draw to the screen, all I have to do is press Alt and D. So I don't think this video screen recorder does not allow us to actually record the screen and throttle the screen with inbuilt function. All you have to do is to choose the hotkeys. Alright, I'm gonna remember Alt plus D. I'm gonna show you that in a few minutes from now. Okay, alright, the screen recording has started. As you can see at the bottom right corner here, there is a recording volume and the level meter, where you can actually select the volume of the recording and the level meter here. Alright, I'll ignore it for the moment, and I'm gonna press Alt plus D to actually annotate on my screen. So this is an option to actually annotate my screen. So all I have to do is click on Alt plus D. And if you don't want to actually have those annotations, all I have to do is click on the clear drawings here at the bottom of the page to actually clear up the drawings. And if you want to choose the color, here again, and to exit the drawing, all I have to press is escape, and there you go, the drawing is stopped. And from here, as you can see, there is the recording being taken care of. All I have to do is to press F7. I'm gonna do exactly that, and the recording has stopped. There you go, guys. And it says the actual video quality. Regarding the video quality, there is a website, and I'm gonna click OK, and just brings me to a new web page where it says how can I change the quality, how can I change the recording, how can I edit the recording, and all this stuff. It might be useful for some of the video makers out there, so I'm just putting it out right there. Alright guys, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna go back to the web application there, and I'm gonna click on play. But before doing that, I'm gonna click on open location. There you go, guys, our video has been downloaded and it is being placed on the documents. And so you guys, the video recording is pretty fantastic, the quality of the video recording is pretty fantastic, and the mouse highlighter works pretty well. And I think the video output has been fantastic, and BSR soft screen recorder offers us a better screen recording quality, even though it's pretty old, and it is just supported by Windows 8, 7 and Vista. It looks promising, you guys. So if you are a beginner, I suggest you try out the BSR Screen Recorder for recording your screen videos, and it's absolutely free, guys. There is no catch like you need to pay some amount for recording your screen videos. There's no such thing when it comes to BSR soft recorder, so I think it's the best. But the thing is, you don't get to record your webcam, and that is a bummer, guys. So I would like to close the video, and here we've got an option to edit or reproduce. So I'm going to quickly click on edit reproduce, and as you can see, there is an editor opening here, and as you can see, there is a timeline here. I can actually add some of the pictures or a chat box or some kind of transitions over here to my video actually. So this is a pretty fantastic screen recorder with editing options. So there is no much editing features around here, but still it is a decent editor, so you guys can actually edit the screen recording. And one particular thing that I just wanted to mention about BSR soft screen recorder is that it doesn't allow to record your webcam actually, and for that particular reason I suggest you try out the Cloud screen recorder because it's fantastic. You can record your screen and camera, you can add in your built-in video cam feed to your videos, and you can actually have a free storage. So I've been using it for a long time and I find it so useful, especially when it comes to streaming. Cloud video recorder is pretty fantastic, you guys. I suggest you try it out, and I've included the link in the description. Please check it out. Alright, you guys, the BSR movie lab is pretty fantastic, and the quality of the rendered output videos is pretty fantastic, and you get to edit the videos. You've got a timeline, and we've got pretty exciting features you can add to the video that has been recorded. So I think BSR Soft is pretty outdated, but still it is helpful to some of the beginners who have started doing screen recording. So it is a pretty good software, you guys. So you can try it out, and please leave it in the comments. How did you feel about this software? So until I see you guys in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel. Take care, you guys. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.